Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by setting up the right gear and targets. Carry a high harvest pick or metal tool and stack weight-reducing gear so you can carry more metal per run. Tame or prepare a Dodecurus or Ankylos because they mine faster and carry heavy ore. A Giga or Quetz with platform works for mass collection. Scout mountainous biomess or specific cave nodes. Map a loop so you hit multiple veins each trip. Once done, you'll move into focused harvesting runs. Now you refine how you harvest to squeeze out extra metal. Aim for exposed nodes and cave deposits because they give the best return. Strike weak spots on metal spines where applicable. Use dinos with native harvesting bonuses and tools that boost melee damage. This directly increases ore per hit. Make short runs with weight-reducing armor and consumables that raise gathering efficiency. If you have tribe buffs or shrine bonuses, finish by moving ore and converting it into usable metal. Load large haulers like Quetz platforms, Argentavis, or giant storage dinos to bring ore back in bulk, then split across multiple forges or an industrial forge for speed. Use appropriate fuel, spark powder for primitive, oil for industrial, and balance smelting batches to avoid bottlenecks. If yields seem poor, make sure your tool and dinos have the right stats. Verify you hit proper nodes, and clear inventory weight so harvest efficiency isn't reduced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.